Hello, Professor and classmates. My name is Aryan Jaff. Today I'm going to make the Lab 3 first hack part 1. I'm going to start with the abstract. We're going to run the Kali Linux machine and run our Qualtrics as well and run ipconfig on the root to see the network setting. The first scanning that we did, we find out that we are on the machine, on the virtual machine, not on the host. And we realized that by seeing the IP address is 10.0.2.15, and we want to switch to the host only. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the network setting and change it from NAT to host only. In this slide, we're going to see that we switched by realizing that the IP address has changed from 10.2.0.15 to 192.168.56.101. And that's from the root as well, after we change the specification. So we must switch our network setting from NAT to host only so we can perform the Nmap scan after we do both machines on the same network. The Nmap scan, after we have the host only setting, we can run our Nmap scan. I gave the range for 192.168.56.0/24, so I can scan only the last octet or the fourth octet. That is a basic ping sweep. So as you can see, I put 192.168.56.0/24 so it can be quick and scan everything on the last octet. And after I realized the octets from the previous slide, I find out that the test page is 192.168.56.122.102. So what I did, I opened a Firefox, I went over there, I pasted, or I just put the numbers over here, hit enter, and I got to this text page. And the next slide, when I right click on this page, it will give me the page resources. So the page resources will have all the codes and will have the comments, the developer comments, those on green. It shows what the codes and the comments that the developer used. Now I'm going to perform the three Nmap types. So the first one that I'm going to do is the Nmap-O, which is different from the other Nmap, the regular Nmap. This one is -O is for operation system to identify the OS on the machine and the version of the Nmap as well. The other type, or the second type of Nmap, is -SV for services. This is another type of Nmap that is dedicated for services. That is why I'm using the Nmap-SV formula. This also provides more details, versions, and ports. The last one that I'm going to do is going to be intrusive scan. In this slide, I will provide the intrusive scan formula, which is Nmap-P-space-A 192.168.56.102. That will provide us with all the open ports and all possible vulnerabilities. And that will give us a lot of details that might be useful to protect our system. This is a full network scan. As an IT, we'll make a lot of use of it, so we can scan and see all the devices on our network. The results after we finish, we finished the 3 Nmap scans. Now we're going to do an apt-get update to update the Nmap that we have. After we get the results, we can use the command apt-get update to update the version, and we can use another command prompt, which is apt-get upgrade to upgrade our version, which will help us on the long run. But the only thing that we have to do is we have to switch back from host to NAT only so we can perform this scan. And the last but not least, the upgrade will save us a lot of time on the long run if we do the upgrade after the update. If you can see in this slide, I did it as well. And the last page will be our references. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the slide.